Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Instacart app and remove your credit card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Instacart app from your device, start by locating the app icon on your home screen. If you're using an iPhone, press and hold the Instacart app icon until it starts to jiggle. Once it jiggles, tap the small X that appears in the corner of the app icon. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to delete the app. Tap Delete to confirm the uninstallation. For Android users, find the Instacart app icon in your app drawer. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the options provided. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Confirm by tapping OK. With the app uninstalled, the next step is to open your web browser and go to the Instacart website. Log into your Instacart account by entering your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the option labeled Payment Methods or similar. Select your saved credit card information from the list. There should be an option to remove or delete the card. Click on it and confirm the deletion. Make sure to double-check your payment methods to ensure all sensitive information is removed. Once you've completed these steps, your credit card will be successfully deleted. You've now uninstalled the Instacart app and removed your credit card information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.